Hi, my name's Brad Artery, and I'm privileged to be the CEO of a healthcare technology software company called Mockingbird. Our mission at Mockingbird is to positively impact clinician burnout. And we do that by automating and simplifying ongoing clinician education and aligning that education to state licensing and board certification requirements. Mockingbird is available today at mockingbird.com and additionally on the app and Play Store. Let Mockingbird help positively impact you, your practice, and your colleagues. Finally, I was born and raised in Wheatland, Wyoming. I have friends and family living and practicing in Wheatland, Cheyenne, Lander, Jackson, Douglas, and other cities and towns in Wyoming. Let my company Mockingbird help you, and reach out to me directly, Brad Artery, if there's anything we can do to make a positive difference in your professional lives and for the state of Wyoming. Thank you.